Shor is the smarter way to connect your audience with everything you create. Imagine turning one simple link into a dynamic hub where Instagram followers or YouTube subscribers can discover your best work, your offers, and your world all in one place. Shor makes linking effortless by combining business and pleasure without the pressure and stress of clunky tools. With Shor, you can design landing pages that carry the same power and polish as a standalone website, yet remain fast, flexible, and easy to update. That means you can showcase products, promote events, share content, or highlight partnerships in a way that feels seamless and professional. The beauty of Shor lies in its balance. Robust features built for growth, wrapped in a human-friendly design that feels intuitive from the start. Whether you're a creator, a brand, or a business, Shor helps you own your links, your style, and your success. Click the link in the description to learn more.